Max Beezers. We're going to be solving an equation, and this time we're going to be talking about what happens if there's a group somewhere in our equation. We notice that there's groups because there's parentheses and things inside. So let's get to it. As we should be getting used to, if there's no number beside a parenthesis, then the number is 1. It's always invisible. So the term we're going to be multiplying by is a positive 1. Well, that means we're going to take the positive 1 times z and get 1z. And we're going to take the positive 1 times negative 6 and get negative 6. From there, I'm just going to copy down everything else. Now that I'm done copying, what I want to do is I want to look to combine like terms on the same side. I have a z term and another z term. They're both positive, so they do combine to make a positive 2z. Over here I have a negative 6 and a negative 2 that are also like terms. So these combine together to make 8 negatives. Now I just bring down whatever I haven't combined. At this point, I need to take this negative 8 and combine it with this negative 10, but I got this pesky equal sign. So I can't just move them together. I have to remove the negative 8 on the left-hand side. When I do that, I'm going to have to remove the same 8 negatives on the right-hand side. Now that I've removed by adding, because remember, we're looking for opposites. We had 8 negatives, which means I need 8 positives to cancel them out. I did it on both sides. I got 2 negatives left on the right-hand side. The final step is to divide by whatever my coefficient is in front of my variable. In this case, 2. So when I do my division on both sides, these 2's cancel on the left, and I'm left with a negative divided by a positive. Well, that's going to be a negative answer, and 2 cancels 2, leaving 1, because in multiplication and division, the word cancel means it turns into 1. And there's my answer. Z equals negative 1.